Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Hamza Bashir and I am going to tell you about chemical engineering. Chemical engineering basically is applied chemistry. It is the branch of engineering concerned with the design, construction, and operation of machines and plants that perform chemical reactions to solve practical problems or make useful products from it. What is basically a chemical engineer? Like all engineers, chemical engineers use math, physics, and economics to solve technical problems. The difference between chemical engineers and other types of engineers is that they apply a knowledge of chemistry in addition to other engineering disciplines. Chemical engineers sometimes are called universal engineers because their scientific and technical mastery is so broad. If we talk about what a chemical engineer basically does, they basically convert crude oil to the petroleum products. They make cements, make useful gases. They work on water treatment. The main disciplines of chemical engineering are ceramic engineering, petroleum engineering, drilling engineering, plastic engineering, material engineering, paper engineering, reservoir engineering, and mud engineering. Chemical engineers meet environmental challenges. For example, they reduce the volume and toxicity of pollutants allowed to enter the air, waterways, and soil. They significantly reduce the negative environmental impact of industrial facilities, power plants, and transportation vehicles. They also allow greater reuse of post consumer and post industrial waste streams. Chemical process and biochemical engineers are involved in the design, modification, and operation of processes to produce the things we rely on every day. They are employed across a huge variety of sectors, including chemical products, pharmaceuticals, energy, mining and minerals, oil, and gas. Chemical engineering is being offered at the NUST School of Chemical and Materials Engineering. It is basically a constituent school of National University of Sciences and Technology, whose mission is to whose mission is to provide a platform for the development of quality interdisciplinary program of teaching and research in the fields of advanced energetic materials, combustion and propulsion, chemical reaction and separation, advanced engineering materials for electrical, electronic, mechanical, biothermal, optical, aeronautic, and astronautic, and other applications. If we talk about the course curriculum, we can see that in the semester one, few courses are offered. Basically, there are around 10 courses that are offered in the first semester. That includes chemical process principle, English, Park Studies, calculus, workshop, applied physics, fundamentals of programming, chemical process principles. Basically, in first four semesters, they teach the basics of chemical engineering. They build your base for the core chemical engineering courses. As you move further to the next semester, you climb up the ladder in learning of chemical engineering. In conclusion, I would like to say that chemical engineering is the one of the most highest paying jobs in the world. Yes, it does not start as an instant success, but if you're capable and talented, you can survive the competition. Chemical engineers give the world what it wants in the most resource efficient way possible. Therefore, I am of the opinion that chemical engineers are very good to the world. Cutting off chemical engineering would lead to significant changes in quality and efficiency, more waste, more pollution, and crappier products. In the end, believing in your own actions is what matters, and sometimes only chemical engineers are intellectually equipped to address some of the world's greatest challenges.